unexplained explosions, mysterious booms. A small town in New Jersey is literally left shaking. Calls flooded 911.
I just heard a really loud thing, like it shook the entire house.
It's someone's throwing our houses off the foundation. It just sounds like it's a bomb dropped from a plane.
It sounds like a sonic boom, but where is it coming from? And what the heck is it?
Developing tonight, South Florida shaking. The rumbling felt from North Broward all the way to the Florida Keys.
But we're told it wasn't an earthquake. Let's go right to Local 10's Christian De La Rosa live with what he's learned. Christian.
South Florida feeling the rumble.
What's going on here?
In Broward, the sheriff's office flooded with phone calls.
Probably the same, sounded like someone shaking the door.
Almost like someone was opening and closing the door.
I thought it was an earthquake. I've never been in an earthquake before.
In Homestead, people tweeting it went on for 15 seconds, even down in Monroe County.
So where are we having these mini earthquakes?
That was weird.
We've had several phone calls about people reporting shaking.
The United States Geological Survey telling Local 10 News what may have felt like a small earthquake did not register.
The National Data Buoy Center, where for the past few hours there's been 4 buoys in event mode, one off of the upper northeastern coast of the United States, 3 off of the upper northwestern coast of the United States.
As the buoys in the North Pacific are going off, you've got 3 of them that have been ringing off throughout the morning today.
When they're flashing like they are right now, you only normally see that if there's been a large earthquake close to these buoys that detect the movement created by the large earthquake that could create a tsunami.
As we're watching a very erratic polar vortex right now that is going to be swinging around the planet, bringing cold temps and extreme weather. And already it's starting. So over Alaska, in the next little while, BC as well as Oregon, you're going to be receiving this low pressure system. But ahead of it, for the Oregon coastline and BC coastline, you will be receiving 9-meter waves with this large low pressure system here.
So we have seen blackouts and wondering what's going on with these blackouts, as we see here near power grid blackout in Europe before the nationwide electricity collapse in Pakistan, and you could add to that in Germany as well. And then of course we had Iran, which may be something completely different or maybe not. Iran and Pakistan are very close to each other, obviously. So, what's plunging millions of people in the dark around the world is the question.
Well, Guatemala was just struck by a 5.9 to 6.1 magnitude earthquake, depending on who you listen to, as we will see. The USGS came in and marked it a 5.9, although it registered a 7 on the DYFI.
Well, a powerful earthquake in Indonesia has killed at least 35 people and injured hundreds more. The quake struck at night on the island of Sulawesi, claiming lives and damaging many buildings in and around the capital district.
There was an aftershock just now of 4.5 right on top of it in El Salvador. That was actually at 73.4 kilometers. These are all volcanoes awakening in front of your very eyes.
This is Wrap the News, and you know exactly what it is, and you know exactly what time it is. You know what's causing all these problems and these disruptions all over the earth. They keep saying solar flares from the sun, but what sun? So right here we have planet hell right in the sky, glowing after the sun goes down, looking like the sun in the sky. Yesterday we showed a video of planet hell pulsating in the night sky and in the morning sky before the sun comes up, and then people is viewing the sun and it looks like the sun is pulsating, but no, it is the planet behind the sun. And as we look closer, we can see the red striped planet behind the sun. and God is keeping this thing at wraps in that bay. But if you know what this thing is doing, like I know what it's doing, it is moving something differently than any other planet or system out there. This thing right here is not only going up and down and sideways, it's going forward and backwards. So in this video right here, if you will play this video from the beginning to the end, you'll see that thing is slowly going backwards. So as it is written in the scriptures, this thing comes forward when crime and sin and iniquity and murder and death is on the earth. And just like in Sodom and Gomorrah, it rains down brimstone. Just like in the time of Noah, it causes the flood. And it's been causing weather phenomena. It has been drawing the ocean back, where our oceans have been disappearing. And we are seeing it eclipse the sun and everything else. We know this thing is going behind the sun, causing the sun to go out during these eclipses now. They was hiding this damn thing from us the whole entire time. They knew it was out there, and they know what it is. If people knew that that was the literal hell, and that the hell on this earth is going to be thrown in that hell, as mentioned in the Bible, hell will be thrown in the lake of fire. Well, the lake of fire is right on that planet right there. And so we got 20,000 going to Washington, and then they saying all the capitals need to be manned and everything else. Is it for the inauguration, or is it for something else is coming down on this earth? We seeing all the signs and symptoms that something big is about to take place. And all I'm saying, Israel, is stay ready, because anything can happen at any time. This is your bro, Wrap the News.